This is also my first year growing anything back here, so I hadn't known what to expect really. Next year, I will probably have more control over it. Oh, this is Nightshade. Grabbed a thorn, but I have gloves on. So much. Now that I'm actually looking for it, it's everywhere. And then these Japanese maple trees. I don't know how the heck they got here, but they're here and they're all over the place. Got thorn vines all over the place in this yard as well. Every time I pull one, it's like a hydra. Cut one head off and two more appear. I probably should have tarped this whole area before doing this. I mean, I don't know, to be honest, but it could have helped reduce the stuff like nightshade and stuff. I think. I could be wrong. These are tomatoes right here.